Protective gears. Protective measures are needed for radiation shielding during some specific operations involving radiation exposure in a nuclear power plant. Like any industry or factory, human resources are needed in a nuclear power plant. A dress made of special materials and oral respirator is used by technicians while working in certain areas of the plant. Plant workers wear a small, badge-like radiation dosimeter, which is used to determine the radiation dose exposure. Dosimeters come in many types, including direct reading dosimeter, thermal-luminescent dosimeter, etc. Protective gear is used in conjunction with a variable dosimeter to ensure exposure levels below specified safe limits.